Morning, YouTubers, subscribers, gunners. Today's gonna be a hectic day, somewhat. I gotta head out to Jersey, pick up some stuff for Oren. Yeah, there's a lot in store for today. I'm trying to stay off Instagram until tomorrow, so because I have a surprise for my gunners. So if you're subscribed, then you know, because I have like 16,000 followers on YouTube, basically subscribers, but I've got way more on Instagram. So I'm trying to surprise them with something for tomorrow. So who knows? Maybe I'll put out this vlog today, which is Thursday, and then yeah, keep them anticipated. Yeah, without further ado, we're gonna head over to Tri-State as usual. That's where I get all my parts from. Everything is available. I wrote down a list in my phone, so yeah, hopefully we can finish up old girl today, man. She's coming out beautiful, man. She's coming out great. Can't wait. Let's begin. Keep gunning. All right now. All right, guys. All right, so, all right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so, okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Huh?
Can the K-Pro pick up an AM one?
I don't know. I have to ask Jamie. And we're here. It's parts time. When you walk back here, you know poop is about to get expensive. You know the poop is about to get expensive. I can't really curse mucho, but check it out. We're actually giving one of these away, and we're trying to get to 20,000 subscribers, but I don't know what's going on. You guys got to push for that, man. I've got a T4 K-Series ready to give away to my gunners. Pick up a few things for Oren, and voila. Check this out right here. My boy decked this whole bike out. What'd you put in it? Cam? Power Commander?
Power Commander. I have other stuff that Red Eye can't discuss.
Yeah. He's got some, and they got race fuel. Listen to the Cam logo on this. So factory, it comes with what? 11 horsepower? And now it's making like almost 14? 14 and a half. Easy, Trap. Don't bust your booty cheeks. Don't bust your booty cheeks. That thing sound good, man. Well, he power shifting your shit, bro.
Yeah, definitely the fastest grom I ridden. Definitely.
That's the GOAT grom right there? Yo, the race fuel smells good.
Nah, I wasn't even going up that
The
high.
rev limiter is 10 what? 8? 10, 8.
Yo, you went lithium on him?
This kid was lithium battery. Power to weight, my boy. Nah. Who unlocks something up, man? Who unlocks something up? Driver weight, rider weight, 140 max. So real quick on some parts we picked up. Got a B-Series side radiator, the whole kit from K-Tuned. Picked up the speed converter. I picked up some stuff from Vicky that I had to replace for his 2420. I picked one of these guys up, the cable holders, fresh. 2 fresh clips from OEM Honda. Got a plug for that skunk manifold too. It's right there. And I don't know what else we need. We're missing a battery for the car and a few more miscellaneous things, but that's a quick update on the parts that we came to get today. So that reinforcement bar, I always tell you guys to take off when you're doing lightweight doors. Cunha just suggested not on street cars.
Don't do it on street cars.
Oh my God, that bar saved his life, bro.
Yeah,
wow.
Definitely saved his legs at least.
Yeah. Wow. Is he okay?
Yeah.
Thank God.
Okay. Yeah.
So somebody hit him from the back, pause, and as he pushed through, a car T-boned him. So he got double whammied. Oh man.
You got the 2-piece.
Ouch.
Fucked up because you get reminded like, oh shit.
He was
was telling me, he was like, yeah, I'm sitting at the light and I see the car coming. All of a sudden, I'm like, poof, like into the car.
Oh my
like,
God.
so I'm watching, like I didn't even know nothing's happening behind me.
That's sick.
And I'm like just watching myself go into the traffic as this car's coming. Pow, fucking hit him.
This was manageable, but that side one.
All right, YouTubers, here we go with Trappy Buckets. I don't know what's going on right now.
You know what's going on.
I don't know what's going on. I got to go make a decision right now on what I have to do. I'm 11 minutes away from the destination. So once I get there, you guys, I think I'm about to.
Nah, you don't think. You gonna. I'm pushing for this. I don't know what you're talking about. You over here you want to be rational. We don't have time to be rational anymore.
Pray for your boy, man. Okay, so here's the deal. I got offered a proposition to take a car for a weekend. If I like it, I can buy it. I've saved up enough money to give my boy a down payment on it. I just need an answer. So I'll have this car I'm about to show you for the next maybe 3-4 days. I don't know what to do. Do I buy this NSX? Do you understand the dilemma now? So yeah, 2017 NSX, man. Full carbon fiber package, in and out, titanium exhaust. He told me he's not teaching me nothing about the car, that I have to take it and figure it out. I've got 3 days to figure out how to work this car, if I want it or not. I don't even know how to open this door. How's the door open? Jesus Christ. I don't even know how to open the door. Let's figure that out. Trappy, what do you think?
Nah, we're doing it. There's nothing to think about.
Man, there's a lot of money right now. Oh my God, Aki, are you really gonna do this? Are you really gonna do this, man? I'm stressed out. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm stressed out. This is a dream car right here. This is a super car. This is a dream car, man. All carbon. Me and 40. What do you think about me and 40 in here, huh? Take it home. All right, guys, driving it home. Very comfortable car. I really haven't stepped on it yet, but you can tell that the power is there. Not a lot of traffic out, that's why I'm recording now. The titanium exhaust is very loud. It sounds great though. A lot of compartment noise, like you can feel that the motor's behind me. It sounds beast. But I'm excited, man. I really need your guys' help on this, if I should purchase this car or not. I'll turn the camera around and show you how everything looks in the pit. You let me know what you think. Here we go. Pretty nice. Seats are awesome. Everything feels comfortable. Paddle shift quick. Transmission shifts awesome. But yeah, heading to New York. I can't wait till 40 sees it. Home. Let's see if we keep it. This was a fun ride on the way home. I got it to about 130 real quick. I put it into some race mode that I found with some dynamic knob. I'm telling you, I know nothing about this car. I just know it's beautiful. It has a lot of carbon, but this was a fun car to take home. I got it for a couple of days. Let's see what happens. Let's see, how do we open the hood? Okay, that's the front. This is door. This is the front. Oh my God, I'm so lost. messed this up already? Yo, Trappy, I don't even know how to open this hood. Oh, here it is. I don't know what's going on here, but it looks expensive. These are the electric motors? What a sick car.
And the back one
Electronic dampening.
Oh, that's awesome.
Did you open the back one?
Yeah. How's it open?
Did you hear a pop or something?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. So this is our motor slash trunk. Look at all that carbon, Trappy.
Yeah, that's fine.
That titanium exhaust sounds sick.
Number 753.
Okay. Just imagine it was 747.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd have been crazy. Sick. Fun car, man. I don't know what to do. I've been saving up my money. I haven't been buying clothes. I haven't been buying anything. Sacrificing for a big purchase. I love you, 47. Don't you worry. You always number one. This right here? What do you think, Trappy?
Ah, we're doing it. This is it.
You got 3 days to think about it, buddy. I got to give an answer by Monday. What a sick car. I can't wait to do some pool videos. Put 40 in there with a camera.
Yeah, we need
Oh,
a reaction.
man. What happened? You see what's outside? Do you see what's outside? Yeah, my man back is fucked up. Where's the brace I gave you, man?
Oh, there you go.
Oh my God.
¿Qué tengo?
Yo, your back is messed up, bro.
Parece que tengo infección y se me alojó en la pierna mala.
Man, my
Me
boy's
duele
hurt,
la
man.
pierna.
You see what I brought you outside?
The carro blanco.
He don't give a shit.
El blanco, ese no. El de carrera no.
El blanco.
He don't give a shit. I don't know, guys. You call it, man. You call it. You choose. I'm so confused. It's a beautiful car. I just don't know if I'm ready for that kind of commitment. So just let me know. I'll take all opinions, and then we'll see where we go from there. But as usual, we're gonna get to work. We'll probably start another vlog after this. I want to keep this one a little bit short. I had a lot going on today. Like, comment, subscribe.